Hello guys, just a little video, bit of a sneak peek video this one. We're doing a little job for someone in the not too distant future, and this arrived today, so let's have a quick look at what it is. Move, dog. Right, what have we got in here then? Let's have a look. Oh, there's a bit of a clue, isn't it? So we have a plastic tank and a book, some backing. Okay, right, let's get this one out. Okay, let's have a look. There we go, guys. So, move Shelby, thank you very much. So, it is a diesel heater. So, we've got one of these in our motorhome, as you know. But one of our friends, who we won't name at the moment, wants us to fit this in his motorhome. So, we've had this delivered today, and we'll get it fitted when he's ready for that. There is one more box. Let's just get the other box out. We've got a plate. This goes between the unit and the motorhome floor to protect from heat. Now let's get this box open. And there we go. I won't get all this out at the moment, but little silencer unit, conducting. We're not going to be using the tank. We're going to be using the diesel fuel tank on the vehicle to obtain the fuel from, rather than a separate tank. Just make it easier for the person who owns this. That's his decision. Bit of wiring. One of the absolute rubbish hoses, absolute garbage these things are. I remember when we fitted ours, that's absolute junk. But yeah, there we go.
So if that's junk, what do you use in its place?
What, this one?
Yes.
Oh, we got a different hose on ours. They just break too easily. As soon as you bend them a little bit, they just split.
So have you got to buy more piping then?
For this,
yeah.
we'll see what the owner of the equipment wants to do, but I would change that for something else, but we'll see.
Okay.
That's not my decision, is it? But,
okay, it's just that you said it was rubbish, so I just thought
rubbish.
I'd ask what he was doing about it.
Some bits and pieces here. Right, okay, so we'll leave that there then, guys. Just a quick sneak peek, and we will have a video in the future to show you the install of this into the person's motorhome. But we'll leave that there. So take care, guys, and see you soon.